Here in the video, we are going to talk about Nintendo Switch error code 2002-2001. The error reads, unable to access micro SD card. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to use a microSD card on their Nintendo Switch, but the console fails to read the card and displays this error. According to our research, this error may come if the microSD card is dirty or incompatible, or there is an issue with the card itself. In some cases, it may also happen due to a need for a system update or a problem with the console's hardware. The first thing we suggest is to power off your Nintendo Switch and remove the micro SD card. Then check the card terminals for any dirt or debris. Also, make sure that the micro SD card is supported on the Nintendo Switch. Once checked, reinsert the card and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then remove and reinsert the micro SD card. Then connect your console to the internet and perform a system update. Once the update is complete, check for the error. If the error still persists, then format the micro SD card and try again. But before formatting, make sure to back up your data as formatting will erase all contents of the card. Once formatted, check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try using a different micro SD card and see if the error still comes. If the error doesn't come with the other microSD card, then possibly the issue is with your main microSD. If the error still doesn't resolve, then remove the microSD card and try downloading the content directly to the system's internal memory. After that, check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists even with different supported microSD cards or when using the system memory, then we suggest contacting Nintendo support for further help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.